Welcome back to What's the Frame? In this episode, we're going to look at a newly completed pitch renovation at a professional football stadium. So in this frame, there's obviously a heavy presence of both green and blue. We've not tried to go away from that, we've just tried to use it. Naturally, the frame works really well because we've got these shadows that are helping to push the image towards the middle and give it a nice frame. If you look at this as well, what it does is it boxes in the green. So you've got the sky and the blue of the stadium alongside the cooler, darker areas of the shadow, pushing the greens towards the middle, as I say, and putting that at the center. Now, the way that the stadium is positioned really helps this image as well, because the corner where both stands meet is right in the middle of the frame. Had that been slightly off, it probably wouldn't have been as symmetric, this frame. But because it is right in the middle, it really leads the eye line into the right places that we want it to, rather than it being quite distracting. Overall, I've tried to use the colours that are there rather than fight against them. But what I don't want to do in an image like this is make it too saturated. I think there's an over-reliance a lot of the time with people whacking up the saturation on an image. Sometimes just stay off it a little bit and let the colours that are more natural work for the image. There's not an awful lot to complicate this image, but that is why I like it.